Good morning, student. Today I am solving self practice number 2E as the chapter whole numbers. Yesterday I solved question number 1 and all kinds of questions A to Q, and I hope you have done in copy. And if you feel any problem, you can contact me. Okay, so question number 2, identify the pattern and find the missing term. So you should find out the missing term. So as question number 2A, it is given in question given 2, 9, 7, 14, 12. So see, here is plan C, 2 after 9 given, 9 after 7. So you think that what is the pattern, and pattern follows the rule. So in this way I found, as you see, 2, 9, difference 2 and 9, 9 minus 2, 7 is coming. So number is going plus 7, means increasing, 2 to 9 increasing by 7, and again in the third number 7, in the series third number is 7. So 9 more than and 7 less than. So difference between 9 and 7 is 2. So 7 is less. So it is decreased by 2. So see, again 7 after 14 means 14 is 2 times big to 7. So 7 to the 40 means again 7 plus 7, 14. So plus 7 minus 2. Again plus 7. So by this pattern you can see it should be also minus 2. So 14 minus 2, 12, it is given. Again you follow the pattern, minus 2 after what will come? Plus 7. So plus 7, so you add 12 plus 7. So 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. So in this place, in the gap, it will come 19. If you add 12 plus 7, it will come 19. Again by the rule, it should be minus 2. Again the next number will come as minus 2 decreasing, minus 2. So 19 minus 2 is equal to 17. So next number is 17. What will be the next number? So again 17 plus 7. So by this way you can follow the pattern and rule. So what will be the rule? Increasing by 7 and decreasing by 2. So you can write 7 because it is increasing. So by 7 or plus 7, same thing, but you can write 7 also or plus 7, no matter. Question number 2B. In the question it is given 50, 40, 43, 33, and one gap here, and 26, and next number. So this also you see 50 after 40. So 50 and 40 difference is minus 10, means difference is 10. The difference between 50 and 40 is 10. So 40 is less than 10 from 50. So difference is minus 10. Again next number is 43. If you add plus 3, so 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. Next number is 33. If you take minus 10 from 43, it is 33. So minus 10 plus 3. Minus 10, next will be in the pattern the number 33 and plus 3, 36. Again you follow minus 10. So 36 minus 10, 26. Again plus 3 you follow, 26 plus 3, 9. So 26 plus 3, 29. 26 plus 3, 29. So it is coming 29. 26 plus 20, 26 plus 3, 29. So as gaps 36 and 29. So in this way, by the rule, decreasing by 10 and increasing by 3. So decreasing by 10 and increasing by 3, you can follow. And next question, I can solve. See nicely. Next question. In the next question, as 2C, it is given 60, 56, 61, 60, 56, 61, 57, 62. 57, 62. After this, you should find out the missing term. The missing term, it is given 158. One missing term is given, gap 62. After one gap is given. After this, 63, 59, and one next gap is given. So there are two gaps. So you see 60 and 56. What the difference? 60 minus 56, it will come, difference is 4. 60 minus 4 means 56. So this number is decreased by 56 is decreased by 4 from 60. And again 56 and 61. What is the difference between 61 and 56? 11 minus 6, 5 will come, and 5 minus 5, 0. So 4 decreased by 4 and increased by 5. So you see 60 minus 4 and 56 here plus 5. Again 61 minus 4, 57, and again I series 57 plus 5, 62. The next pattern will be, what will be the next pattern? Again minus 4, so 62 minus 4, 58, 58 will come. Again 58 plus 3, plus 5, 58 plus 5, 63, 63. Again 63 minus 4, 59 it is given, and next term you must find out. Again you follow this pattern. Again 59 plus 5. So you add 59 plus 5, 64. It will come 64. So dear student, there is two gas filling, 58 and 64. You follow the rule as firstly decreasing by minus 4 means decreasing by 4. You can say decreasing by 4 and increasing by 5. Decreasing by 4, increasing by 5. Decreasing by 4, increasing by 5. In this way, you can find out the missing numbers in the series or in the pattern. Next question. D. D you can do. It is very easy. I am telling only 100, 50, 200, gap, 400, gap. You see, first number 100, second number 50, just half. In first number is just half. The first number is just double of the second number in series. Means 100 is just double of second, means 50. So first number is divided by 2. And next number 50 after it is given 200. So 50, if you count the table, or you multiply by 4, 50 multiplied by 4, it will come 200. So this follow the rule. The first number is divided by 2 and next number is multiplied by 4. So 200, again you divide by 2, it will come 100. So after 200, missing number is 100 in question number D. And 400 given. So again 400, it is given 400. So what should be? Multiply by 4. So what will be the number? You can think and do yourself. Question number E. Question number E, you can see 2, 6, 5, 15, 14. 2, 6, 5, 15 and 14. One gap 41. One gap again given 41, 41 and next gap given. So one gap, two gap. You should fill according to the rule. So you see 2, 6, 5, 15, 14. You see the number. It is 2, it is 6. 6. If you divide 6 by 2, 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. So second number in the term, it is 3 times big from the first number, first place number. So it is followed by C, means first term 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, and 6 and 5, one difference, only difference by 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So it means you see minus 1. Again you see 5 3 are 50. 5 into 3. 5 3 are 50. Again 15. Minus 1. Minus. So 15 14. The difference minus 1. Again this number you see 14. What should be the number? Think. 5 multiplied by 3, it is 15. So which number should become here? In this way, the number after 14 multiplied by 3, 14 multiplied by 3, it will come 42. Again 42 minus 1, minus 1, and again this number as 41 multiplied by 3, 41 multiplied by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 123. So it will come 123, means 41 multiplied by 3. So in this way, this series going to as first number multiplied by 3, it will come the next number means 6 it is given, and the next number alternate number is followed by minus 1. So 6 minus 1 5. Again multiply by 3, this number again minus 1. So it is followed by first, the second number in the term, it is multiplied by the first number, and the next number is followed by minus 1. So in this way you have found as 42 and 123. Next question you can do yourself as question number F. You do yourself. I am telling only the concept. 80, 8, 40 and 4. One gap given, 2, 10 and second gap given. So you see 8 and 10. If you divide 80 by 8, it will come 10. So divide by 10, and next number 40. So 40 means 8 5 is 40. Again 40 divided by 10, it will come 4. 4 times is 40. So this pattern is going to. So again 4 multiplied by 5, it will come 20. So pattern is going to as dividing by 10 and multiply by 5. So firstly dividing by 10 and multiply by 5. Next number will be 10 divided by 10, it will come 1. So you fill in F in first gap 20 and last gap in the series 1. And question number 3, it is very easy. Look at the patterns and write next two steps. It is given, the result is given 10, 110, 1110. So 1, 1, and 2 plus 1 1 0 3 1, and next it will come 4 times 1 and 1 0, and next will come 5 times 1 5 times 1 and 1 0. So in the series you can see the pattern and you can do question number 3 yourself. And today you try to do mental maths, question number 1 to 6, and after that you also try to do multiple choice questions, and if you will face any problem, I will solve the problem. Okay, for today's class, thank you.